Okay, so here we are at BKM Institutes, and you can call us at 76967 further to discuss any query to come to our physical address. That would be great. SCF 10, second floor, phase 11, Mohali. So we are here discussing about the Q card, that how to go about the Q card, as it is one of the most daunting and difficult tasks to execute. Okay, so our Q card for the mock test today was basically about a person whom you met while traveling. What did you talk to him? What things you shared, and what you liked and disliked about that person? Okay, so examiner will give you 1 minute after this task, and then you will have to prepare this task and speak on this task for 2 minutes. Well, I would like to recommend to jot down points like this, which would be very beneficial and handy, as 2 minutes speaking is not an easy task to execute. Okay, after completing this thing, you will put both the papers just in front of you like this, so that whenever you stop, you can check out with the paper. And most important thing, eye to eye contact is the first and the foremost, along with clear speaking, and it should be lucid so that examiner can understand each and every word out of your mouth in a nice way. Okay, so let us say for 2 minutes we have to speak on this particular topic, and let us say our time starts now. It's 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Well, I have traveled a lot of journey while my college life, as I used to travel through bus only and other public transports, even through the railways. But yes, one of the most memorable journey and one of the most memorable as well as the important journey that I traveled was basically when I was traveling from Chandigarh to my hometown Kathal. There I met a person who was dentist in my hometown. He gave me a lot of advices, and also we discussed a lot of things, as he was senior to me, so we gelled up very well. He was a stranger to me, but in the next moment, after having a few conversations, it appeared that as if we knew each other for ages. Then he told me a lot about my professional life, like in dentistry. He told me that it would be very handy, as I was in fourth year at that time. He told me that I should do my internship from a very reputed college, so that I can gain some practical skills, which would be very handy for me to have a pragmatic approach towards my career. We got well acquainted with each other, and then we started discussing a few things about the personal life as well. So we had a lot of conversation in between, and the advices he gave me was just phenomenal. He appeared to be an immaculate person with an awesome personality, and he was just one of the best person you can come across. He was very motivational and inspirational, and the way he told me was superb. The topic we discussed was basically about dentistry, of course, and the things I liked about that person is that he was a very selfless and altruistic man. He told me each and everything, whatever was required for the dentistry, without even thinking that I belong to the same field. As people of the same field today feel a lot of competition, and they do not like to discuss good things with each other. But that was the best thing I could, see in him, and he was one of the best people you could talk to. And the only thing I disliked about that person was basically he talked to a stranger like me, which is not a very good thing while traveling in the bus. But apart from that, he was absolutely phenomenal, and it was great to see him. So that is how we attempt the Q card, and 2 minutes must be over, rather maybe more than that. But we are just supposed to speak about only 1.5 minutes, which is not a big deal. Okay, thank you very much. Well, for further inquiries, you can like our page as well. That is Dr. BKM Institutes and Career Consultancy Services. And you can also join us on the Facebook at Sunny Bhupesh Manocha or bhupesh.manocha28@gmail.com. Well, thank you very much. Nice talking to you. We will be soon back with OET speaking. Thank you very much.